Here's how to check your wallet activity on Etherscan step by step. First, copy your Ethereum wallet address from MetaMask or your preferred wallet, then open your browser and go to etherscan.io, the official Ethereum blockchain explorer. Paste your wallet address into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring you to your public wallet profile on Etherscan. You'll see your current Ethereum balance, token holdings, and recent transactions history. Scroll down to view all activity, including incoming and outgoing transactions, token transfers, contract interactions with DApps. You can click any TX hash for full transaction details like gas fee, timestamps, and status. Use the tabs like ERC20, ERC721, and internal TXNS to filter specific activity types. And that's how you check wallet activity on Etherscan. Simple, transparent, and great for tracking your blockchain history. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.